Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican stew chicken. We'll start by preparing the chicken with a flavorful marinade. Then, I'll guide you through the crucial browning process, which gives the stew its signature color and deep taste. Finally, we'll simmer everything to perfection, ensuring a tender and delicious meal. Get ready to create a truly authentic dish. First, thoroughly clean your chicken pieces and pat them dry. Now, generously season them with a blend of fresh thyme, scallions, garlic, ginger, and a touch of allspice. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, several hours in the refrigerator. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot and brown the chicken until it achieves a beautiful golden brown crust on all sides. Once the chicken is beautifully browned, it's time to build the stew. Add chopped onions, bell peppers, carrots, and potatoes to the pot, stirring gently. Pour in some water or chicken broth, along with a tablespoon of ketchup and a dash of browning sauce. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes, or until the chicken is incredibly tender and the sauce has thickened perfectly. To finish, taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. A final sprinkle of fresh thyme or chopped scallions adds a lovely aroma and presentation. Serve your rich, flavorful Jamaican stew chicken hot with a side of fluffy white rice, and peas, or some warm dumplings. It's a comforting meal perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.